All right, so we're going to talk about how to embed a playlist. And first we have to make a playlist. I have a video that I want to find here. Last name is Salen, Katie Salen. That's not the one I want. Big thinkers. We'll go with this one right here. I'll check out this video. It's not the one I was thinking of, but it'll work for what we're doing here. And I'm going to add this to a playlist. It happens to be the game-based learning. So I'm going to select it and add it to that playlist. I did that by hitting this Add to pull-down menu. Whenever I want to access my playlist, I can go up to my name and to my videos. It doesn't say the full name, but My Videos is actually a section of My Videos and Playlists. And I can, on the left side, drill down to the actual playlist. Well, here's the playlist I just added Salen's video to here. And this is great, but it's not the order I want. Anytime I can go up and actually edit my playlist and see the order that they're in. I can use these buttons to move folks up, to quickly just jump them around, or I can actually grab the little triple line right here, which is like a little handle. It's supposed to represent a grip, and I can put them in any order that I want. And I'm going to actually put them in this order. I can add notes if I want for why you might want to watch each of these, and I can select which of these videos will be the thumbnail. And I don't know, I think we'll probably use Katie as the thumbnail here because these two guys, although very intelligent, are funny looking. So, and then I can simply save it. You'll notice you've got a few other things up here. I can look at a few things. I can quick sort this list. I can make the list either public or private, but I'm just going to save it right now. It goes back to this. When I'm ready to embed this playlist, which I'm not quite, I've got my tools up here. I can also just play it and share it fully like that. But I'm actually going to go back to my videos because I uploaded a video that would work really well as an introduction here. This is my video. And when I hover over the video, I get this little plus symbol, which means I can add it to something. And just like another video that I just selected and added to this list, I can add it to game-based learning. I'll go back to my playlist. I'll select this. And since this is the annotation, I will edit and move my video to the very top. And it renumbers them, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so here's the next step. I'm going to share this playlist. By clicking Share, I get the option to embed or email. I can give a direct link to this playlist. And we're going to try that in the following setting. I'm going to go to standard. Oh gosh, we'll go 3 in this case. I'm going to edit it. So, in the process of editing this page, this portfolio page, we have an HTML link, which allows you to actually drill down and look at the code that's used to write this page. We'll do that in just a second, but actually what I want to do is I want to insert a video from YouTube. You'll remember I copied that playlist, and I'm going to try to embed it right here to see what happens. Oh, it says it's an invalid URL. Okay, so we'll have to do this a different way. One thing I can do is that I can actually link to this playlist. We'll call this annotated playlist. And I can highlight those, click the link, paste the URL, and that becomes a link to my annotated playlist. That's one way to do it. The other way I can do it is that I can embed the HTML. Again, it's not expected that you know what this is. I tend to go down to the very bottom of it and capture the embed code. It's a little special link right here. I'll choose the slightly larger one, and I'll copy it. I'm actually going to use, I need to play with that and figure out which is which. But I can actually paste that in there, and it will put that video on my page. Let's see if it works. Another great place to put it is, say, for example, in your portfolio, or excuse me, in your Blogger. I'm going to create a new post in my blog, go back again, and capture the embed code from my my YouTube playlist. And instead of just regularly composing, I'm actually going to paste with this tab selected, Edit HTML. I'm going to select this and put it into the box right here. Now, if I select Compose, we'll see that the video is actually there. I can actually choose Preview and actually see the video and the way it'll look in the blog post. I'll title this Playlist and then just publish that post. And then I can view it. And here it is, embedded video on my blog.